Welcome back to my channel. And today, in our previous class, we learnt how many types of parts of speech. In this class, we are seeing about what is noun. We know that is the first parts of speech. In the first parts of speech, noun. So in this class, we are learning detail about noun. What is noun? Okay, let's see. Noun. What is noun? What is the definition of noun? Everything in the world which has a name. Everything in the world which has a name means in our world everything has a name, specific name, and that every name is come under a noun. Okay, everything, any of that, the naming word is called noun. So these are the naming word is called a noun. Every naming word is comes under the noun. Okay, so everything in the world which has a name, the naming word is called as noun. This is very simple definition and important definition for noun. There are so many types of nouns also, we will learn in later classes. Okay, let's see some examples. Example: temple, chair, bed, pen, pencil, ram, sita, city, country, etc. In this we can see places and things and persons and everything in the world which has a name is comes under noun. You can easily understand that with this sentence. Everything in the world which has a name is comes under say noun. Okay, like temple, chair, bed, pen, pencil, ram, sita, city, country, etc. And let's see some examples with sentences. Sri Hari is a teacher. Sri Hari is a teacher. So here Sri Hari is a noun because it is a name. Is a teacher. Is a pronoun. A is a article and a teacher is also a noun. Okay. Next, Krishna sings songs well. Sing is a verb. Song is also a name. Well means it is a adverb. It is says about sings. How he is singing very well. It is saying. Next, I like watching television. I like watching television. I like watching television. Here there is no noun at the beginning of the sentence, but there is noun. Confirmedly there is a noun. And what is that noun? Television is the noun. Television is the noun. Television is the noun. So television is the noun. Next, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Sorry, I am a teacher. Okay, here teacher is the subject. A name or noun. Here, like this, we can also prepare. We also can prepare a sentence. Let's prepare sentence. Okay, Ramu is going to Hyderabad from Chennai. Here what is the names? Here what is the names? Ramu. Ramu is a noun. Is a preposition. Going is a verb. To is a preposition. Hyderabad is a noun. From is a preposition. And Chennai is the noun. We can't say how many nouns are in the sentence, in a sentence or a paragraph or in a page. You can't say it. Why? We can't know. We don't know how many nouns in a sentence. Do you know there is nothing in a subject also, like close? It is just a action. Close, it is not a sentence also. Close your mouth. Here it is a sentence and mouth is the subject, like this. Okay, and we get to clarify of noun. What is noun? Everything in the world which has name, the naming word is called a noun. Example: temple, chair, bed, pen, pencil, ram, sita, country, etc. Srihari is a teacher. Here Srihari is a noun. Krishna sings songs well. Here Krishna is a noun. I like watching television. Here I is a television is a noun. I am a teacher. Here teacher is a noun. So like this, the nouns are present. So in next class we will see about pronoun. Until then, bye bye.